In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoho Books API. First, let's navigate over to the Zoho Books website. This is the starting point for getting access to all the robust features that Zoho Books has to offer. It's a comprehensive accounting software designed to streamline your business finances. Once you've arrived at the Zoho Books homepage, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Now, here's where you have a couple of options. If you're an existing user, simply enter your email and password into the designated fields and proceed to sign in. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Alternatively, Zoho Books provides the flexibility of signing in through your Google account, which means you don't need to remember another set of login credentials. If you choose this method, click on the Sign In with Google option and it will prompt you to select your Google account. This is a convenient option for those who prefer to keep all their business operations under one Google umbrella. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access various features, manage your transactions, track expenses, run reports, and so much more. But today our focus is navigating to the API section, so let's head over there next. The Zoho Books API is a powerful tool that enables you to integrate Zoho Books with other applications or to extend its functionality. To access the API, you'll need to visit the Zoho REST API section, specifically designed for developers. You can find this by navigating to the Zoho developer page. Once you're there, take some time to familiarize yourself with the resources available. The documentation provided is extensive, offering detailed guides and examples, which are incredibly helpful if you're just getting started or if you want to implement specific API functionalities. By following these steps, you now have the basics on how to access and begin using the Zoho Books API. Using the API can greatly improve data workflows and automate tasks within your business. Whether you're a developer looking to create integrations or a business owner seeking to streamline your processes, Zoho Books' API provides the flexibility and power needed. As you continue to browse through the documentation and explore the different endpoints, you'll discover just how versatile Zoho Books can be to support your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more features and happy integrating.